Hey y'all, I'm about to work on these nightstands made from an old vanity. This is from a challenge piece, but if you can see right here, I have a little bit of an issue. There's a piece of decorative molding of sorts here, and it's missing right there. The options are to cut one just like it, put it on there and put it in, or to take these the rest of the way off. I don't feel like making one right now, so we're gonna take these the rest of the way off. Let me see if I can get it up where I'll be able to reach it better. If you wanted to wear ear protection go ahead and do that. Eye protection is very important. I have glasses on, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not 100% sure what this tool is called. We call it the cutting tool. And this one is a DeWalt brand. We've had other brands before, but this one is, DeWalt's a good brand of tools. And then you'll need a battery. There's a couple of sizes of batteries. I'm gonna use the small one because it works good with my hands. And you just slide it in, boom. And there's also like a safety right here. So I'm gonna turn that off. And right here, there's an intensity, a 3, 2, 1, on how high you want that to go. This thing will cut through nails, cut through anything, so you do have to be careful with it. I feel like I would have done better going straight up and down, but I'm gonna try this so you can see it. And I have it on intensity 2. Here we go. And I'm gonna go upside down. So see, it slid in, whoops, there's one of the little feet. Don't know if I'll need that, but I'll save it. It slid in like a little groove on the side here, and then it was just glued in. I can see the old glue and tacked in with one nail right there. Let's get the other one. I'm gonna increase the intensity from 2 to 3. There we go. I'm gonna definitely need to save these buttons. I'll be short one because of the one that was missing on the other side. And there you go. That's how you use the cutting tool to get those off in your options. Let me just show you one more thing. See how the back of this is damaged? I totally took the back. This was put together by a vanity, and I cut it off with a Sawzall. And the back of this was so damaged it's gone. I've got these pieces of glue on that I'm gonna tack on here. Boom, new back. And then a couple of the drawers, the same thing. There's no drawer bottoms. We're just gonna make one and put it in. And that will keep it sturdy. These are solid wood. That'll keep it sturdy, and you don't have to paint the back. Let me just say, on furniture, if you want to paint the back, go ahead. But when it's a piece of furniture that goes against a wall, not in the middle of the floor, you normally don't paint the backs. So there you go. If you want to see that, I'll do a different video tacking these on. So I hope that helped you out using that tool, getting these off. And I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. Bye.